scored Ma with Octavia Spencer, and he's got all kinds of things he'll talk to you about. Let's
get situated. How's it going, Greg?
Good. How you doing?
Good. You can you introduce yourself one more time, please?
Which one? It don't matter.
We're working together.
On his. It's the main one. Yeah.
Hey, I'm Gregory Tripi. I was the composer for the Blumhouse movie Ma. I've also done Dark Places, Rememory, and Manhunt, Unabomber.
Awesome. So Ma was actually a very interesting movie, actually. The dynamics of it, as an African American woman being a killer, considering that dynamic was different, was the preparation to score that any different for you?
You know, I don't think for that particular aspect of it it changed anything about the score, but you know, so much of the score came about just by feeding off the performances in it. So Octavia Spencer had a really specific style and delivery that she came up with for the character. And so much of that informed when the music sounded. It just, just vibed over it. You watch it, you kind of see how it makes you write. So I probably attribute a big part of it to just how she acts, what her mannerisms are, and what her style is.
Also Blumhouse too. I mean, you know, when there's a production that there's the style of horror and gore is always going to be top tier. Is there like a sense of like unraveling for working with a project like that? Like, do they just? I feel like with their work, they're a little more loose than other projects. So, do you actually go in there with the same mindset of saying, or having more creative freedom with it?
Yeah, you know, the movie actually, we worked on it over a pretty long time. I had almost a full year to work on the movie. And it went through a lot of changes in the picture and the style and the pacing. So we saw the music evolve a lot. So I think what we thought it was going to start out with changed into something later on that was a little different than what we thought, but everybody was pretty happy with where it went to. I mean, so yeah, it did evolve and it did kind of go a little crazier than we thought. I mean, I pictured how it was going to end was going to be a little dramatic, but what we ended up with was something just totally off the rail that just all disintegrated into chaos. So I love it when that shit happens.
How about the dynamics between working on that and then obviously working on Dark Places?
Yeah, I mean, just really different films. I mean, the style is different. Ma was a horror movie, but we thought about it as a psychological drama.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it had some like really light parts in it too, and some funny parts in it. And it's a weird balance. You kind of see this horrific stuff happening and the light stuff happening, and Dark Places was just pretty heavy the whole time. It started at 10, it went to 11 on heavy. But Ma had a much broader scope of like what type of vibe it was giving you and what type of reaction it wanted the audience to have. When we saw it in the theater, people were screaming and laughing at parts that we thought were pretty scary, and vice versa. So it's just a type of movie. It was a different beast.
Is there a creative process that you go through when you're going through composing films?
Yeah, I mean, I usually always start off with sound design, just coming up with cool textures and palettes and things for the the total palette of the score. And watch it, we kind of get a vibe of like how dark and how light it is, what the mood is of the movie, and then it just comes with instruments and cool sounds. I mean, Ma took a lot of sounds I made myself. I played bassoon on the score and got some weird stuff out of it. I played hang drum on the score and got some ideas out of it. I had a little vocal stuff in there and some rough glass instruments in it, so it had all these weird ideas that kind of started out with, and then you start filtering it down through the movie and seeing where it works. So yeah, that's kind of usually where it starts at. It's just hunting for sounds.
So Ma was pretty much, I think it was an original concept idea and everything. I thought it was really unique. Critters. And Critters is obviously, I mean, I think everyone at some point had a fear of Critters back in the day, but you're being part of the reboot. Is there any like comparison to from the original to now?
I couldn't answer it. That's the main one for Critters.
Oh, you didn't do Critters?
That's Russ.
I thought you did that as well too. Okay.
I wish. Look awesome. Russ is doing it.
Okay. Sorry about that. Oh, do you have any upcoming projects that we can talk about?
Yeah, I mean, I got another horror movie right now called Mr. Whisper.
Okay.
It'll be out next year.
Okay.
It's a much darker horror movie. Pretty intense stuff.
What production company?
Can't tell you.
Oh.
We're still in production on it.
Okay.
Or we're post-production on it right now. But yeah, it'll be out sometime next year.
Do you get any motivation, or where do you find motivation when it comes to producing horror films over and over? I mean, again, Dark Place is very dark.
Yeah, I get really lucky to actually do a lot of genres. I did a TV series for ABC last year called The Fix, which was about as far away from a horror movie as you can get. I did a video game in between that. So I get to change gears a lot. I get to kind of cleanse the palette, and it helps a lot. When you find yourself living in a horror movie for a while, and then you change gears and do something a little more action-oriented or a little more ambient, psychedelic stuff. You come back to the horror stuff and you got this clean slate and fresh palette, and you want to try new stuff on it. So, I don't know if it's necessarily an inspiration as much as just getting to change gears and do different stuff that keeps it fresh.
I understand. I guess in the comparison, is that like a really nice person in real life, but gets to play like a villain in acting? Is it like one of those type of dynamics?
Yeah, maybe. I mean, I imagine if you're an actor that always plays the bad guy every time, you might get a little burnt out on it. You get to be the, romantic lead, or I don't know, funny guy, the sidekick. You probably get to these experiences having
You go for it.
a variety of.
Oh, well, thank you so much for tackling with us. Hope you have a good rest of your con.
Yeah, great. Where are you guys from again?
DC.
Yeah?
Yes.
That's awesome. I live right outside DC.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like Fairfax, Manassas.
Oh, nice.
Awesome. So that's still recorded, so that's great. So yeah, right over there.
What do you got? Is it website?
Yes.
JVS.
Yes, JBS. I can
I'll take care of it.
I'll bring it to you, okay? Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Big gold bell.